Welcome to a new vision of holiday living, where elegance meets serenity. This modern ranch home proves that Christmas doesn't need excess to feel magical. Through simplicity, refined design, and perfectly curated decor, the festive spirit becomes calmer, deeper, more intentional. Join us as we explore a home where minimalism doesn't remove joy, it amplifies it. And it all begins at the front door.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
A striking silhouette stands against the winter dusk, clean white stucco, warm wood in sharp harmony with sleek black steel trims. Subtle warm lights trace the roofline, guiding the eye toward a bold pivot door crowned with a simple evergreen wreath. Snow-kissed shrubs line the path with quiet elegance. Through expansive windows, a soft glow hints at warmth waiting inside. This is Christmas redesigned, calm, curated, undeniably modern. Step inside and feel simplicity embrace you. An open space breathes sophistication, a neutral palette of white walls, rich wood flooring, and a modern fireplace framed in matte black. A slim Christmas tree stands tall, dressed in monochrome ornaments, each reflection intentional. Light pours from floor to ceiling glass, touching textures that feel both luxurious and approachable. Here, the holidays are not louder, they are purer, focused on what truly matters. Let's wander deeper into this sanctuary of comfort. The master suite whispers rest. A low platform bed draped in soft white linens and cool black accents creates a space where decor slows your heartbeat. Subtle garlands and a petite tabletop tree offer quiet touches of celebration without competing for attention. Snow glimmers beyond the window, a peaceful reminder that the world can pause during this season. Next, we discover where practicality meets beauty, the kitchen. Minimalism thrives in motion here. Matte black cabinetry pairs with seamless white countertops, illuminated by sculptural pendant lighting. Stainless appliances integrate effortlessly, and a gentle holiday garland across the island adds just the right seasonal note. Every line is intentional, every detail crisp, proving that the heart of the home can shine without clutter. From here, look up, to the mezzanine escape. Floating above the living room, the mezzanine feels like a retreat within a retreat. Glass railings ensure sightlines remain uninterrupted, offering a perfect view over the Christmas scene below. A cozy reading nook, accented with a single lantern and evergreen detail, makes this space ideal for quiet reflection, where holiday calm becomes personal. Follow the elegance into the spa-like bath. Here, tranquility becomes design. Concrete look walls and a floating wood vanity blend natural strength and warmth. Black fixtures deliver sophisticated contrast. The soaking tub, positioned beside a frost-veiled window, welcomes slow holiday mornings. Even the smallest seasonal greenery becomes delightful in a space this pure. Let's step outside and feel the festive exterior landscape. The front yard continues the home's philosophy, beauty through restraint. Pathway lighting creates a calm guide toward the glowing entrance. Subtle holiday sparkles dust drought-tolerant plants, a modern western nod to the rugged landscape. The architecture remains the star, illuminated enough to declare celebration without shouting it. Now, let's elevate to the rooftop celebration. Above the home, a winter lounge awaits, black metal furniture encircling a modern fire pit, warmth dancing into the night. A single LED holiday tree brings festive geometry to the skyline, while soft lighting outlines relaxation without distraction. Here, the season unfolds beneath open stars, modern joy elevated. Our tour continues inside, where ideas come alive, the working room. A sanctuary for creativity. A broad wood desk and structured black seating set the tone for focus. Holiday decor remains minimal but meaningful, a sculptural tree, a fresh pine branch, inspiring without overwhelming. Natural light washes the space, making productivity part of the home's elegance. Time to step into the backyard celebration. The backyard transforms into an intimate winter stage. A wood deck extends into the landscape, string lights arcing like gentle constellations above the dining area. A modest Christmas tree stands watch over gatherings large or small. It's a space designed to connect, to nature, to others, to the season. This modern ranch proves that Christmas doesn't rely on extravagance, but on balance, warmth, and clarity of design. Minimalism here is not less, it is more meaningful. A holiday home that celebrates joy not through abundance, but through presence. Thank you for joining this tour of calm, contemporary holiday elegance.